The purpose of digital marketing is to get people off social media and talking to you. There is a place for social media and your website, and it's essentially going to help you build trust with another person digitally. But then what happens next? When they email you, when they direct message you, when they phone you, when you set up a meeting, what happens next? That's when the magic happens. That's when we form relationships. That's when you can build that know-like trust between yourself and your future prospective client or, prospective customer. But that's when the magic happens. So the purpose of digital marketing is to get people off social media and talking to you so that you can do your thing and build that relationship and ultimately build your business.